Hi everybody, it's Tina here at DeBoer's Auto, and we're getting ready for back to school season. There's always a feeling of freshness and an electric feeling of newness in the air whenever we go back to school. Our kids might be excited for the fresh new year and what that means, and you're rushing around trying to help them get all their back to school stuff squared away. In the rush of all that, it's easy to forget when our vehicles need a little TLC or some maintenance. Well, this month for September, what I wanted to make sure everybody here knew about was we are doubling our referral bonus. So if you want to refer somebody and remind them that even though we're all busy, it's really important to get our vehicle serviced, and you send them over here to DeBoer's Auto, we're going to double our referral bonus for you. For every single person that you refer over here to us, instead of just the $25, we're going to give you $50 of a referral bonus, which gets applied to your loyalty rewards account once that person completes their first service. So refer away, talk to the parents in line, make sure that they know that they can come here and they can get $25 for free, and it'll double your referral bonus. Don't forget, we have great specials coming up here in September and October, and we want to make sure that you and the parents that you know all benefit from the specials that are available for brakes, tires, and fluid services coming up here. We'll see you soon.